So hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to make iPhone 13 Pro live wallpaper on any iPhone and iPad. A lot of iPhone and iPad users also reported to how to make iPhone 13 Pro live wallpaper on any iPhone and iPad. So guys, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. In this tutorial I will show you how to make iPhone 13 Pro live wallpaper on your iPhone. Now first one important thing is these applications download install from the App Store in your iPhone and iPad. Open the applications. After you can see also iPhone 13 Pro wallpaper available. Now you can see also bottom download options available. So guys, please make sure tap on that. Now tap on the select more photos and also tap on the right hand side done. Now again tap on the OK button. Now wait for the sometimes for the ad skip. Ad skip after automatically download iPhone 13 Pro wallpaper on your iPhone and iPad. Now important thing is strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad. Now open the App Store. In App Store you can see also top corner search bar. In search bar search info live applications on your iPhone and iPad. These applications download install after open on your iPhone and iPad. Now you can see also automatically all photos available. So guys, please make sure select the iPhone 13 Pro wallpaper. Now bottom canvas icon. So guys, please make sure tap on that. Now select the fourth options. After you can see also right hand side corner make icon. So guys, please make sure tap on that. Now tap on the not repeat options. Now you wait for the sometimes, then automatically this type interface show on your iPhone and iPad. Now select the bottom save live photos. Now show ad. So guys, please make sure wait for the sometimes for the ad skip. Now ad skip after you can see also save to photos. So guys, please make sure again come back in home screens. Now select the photos applications on your iPhone. Select after you can see also bottom share icon. So guys, please make sure tap on that. Now scroll down after you can see also use the wallpaper. So guys, please make sure tap on that and now again tap on the set icon. Set after you can see also select the both. You can easily set live wallpapers on your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.